welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another video. Today we are gonna fix something which is error. So hope you guys doing well. Let's get started. So today we are gonna fix the black screen error of OBS. So let me show you the error first. So here, as you can see guys, I have added my source as display capture, but I can't see anything. This is due to a major problem when you have two graphic cards. When you have two graphic cards, the system could not configure which video card it could use. So this happens quite a lot. So the temporary solution for this is to disable your one of the graphic card. Let me walk you through it. Choose which graphic card you want on your computer and which you want to disable. In my case, I am disabling the Intel HD graphics. Now let's check the OBS. So guys, now you can see that we have successfully fixed our error, black screen error. Now you can use OBS. So don't worry guys, you can again enable your video card. Just follow me again. That's it guys, you have enabled your graphic card. Again, that's for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button, like, share this video. Till then, bye.